guys, this is Ben, export manager from Micron Vending Technology in China. Do you know what's this? This is one of the most best-selling commodity in the world, the vapes. Vapes are getting so popular among youngsters around the world right now, so you don't necessarily have to do much advertising if you put up a vape vending machines. All you need to do is to find a good location where people frequent a lot and get plenty of traffic. What are those places? The best places to put vape vending machines are hotels, nightclubs, bars, dancing club, all these places. As a professional vending machine manufacturer, we offer our customers two kinds of speedish vape vending machines. Now, follow me to take a look. The first recommendation I offer to you is this standard model with a 55-inch LCD display touchscreen. As you can see here, the touchscreen is displaying the advertisement for the product you upload on our cloud-based management software system. So when somebody is not buying the product, the touchscreen is automatically displaying the advertisement so as to attract the attention of the passing consumers. So when consumers listen check to the customers, they decided to buy the vapes from your machine, so they touch the screen and select what they want from out of the machine. So this machine is equipped with an age verifier. Customers need to swipe either their passport, ID card, or driving license for proof of age before they can proceed with the buying. Now let me show you how to buy. So right now, let me tell you how this age verifier works. Now if I don't swipe my ID card, and now I touch to buy, if you say no verification, please make age verification first. So now all I have to do is I need to swipe my ID card. So I'll just put my ID card here to scan, for it to scan it. So now the verification process has gone through very well, and now I choose to buy a vape out of the machine. So I touch it and I try to pay. And this is a card reader, it's a pass card reader. So I now use the card to swipe here to complete the paying process. And this is the place where we put Android board and other necessary electrical components. With this big LCD display touchscreen, this machine is very good to sell items like vapes and other cool things. What do you think?
Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail. Micron Smart Vending.